guys, I'm Sherry. Today I would like to share with you what actually I use for skincare products and some face wash and cleanser. So because as you all know that I actually have sensitive skin, so I thought to actually share with you like for sensitive skin what are the products that I actually use so that you can actually have some reference. Then but definitely individual one of us actually has different problems or skin issues. So like sensitive skin and the reaction that I have may not be exactly what you encounter. So this is just my personal experience when I actually use some of the products. So let me share with you a little bit of my skin condition. Actually for my skin, if those who actually follows me in my videos, you may actually see me without makeup before, then you should actually can probably tell that I actually have some redness on the cheeks. The redness is actually, I believe, is because of my sensitive skin. The redness will actually have some heat to it, so I will feel like this my cheeks is actually quite hot, and then at times there are some bumps on the skin, so it's not actually a smooth and little redness here and there. So for myself, I actually love to try out different products, so there may be times where I actually use something that is actually not suitable for my skin. Then I noticed that I will actually have more redness to my cheeks, and then like some bumps on it. Then also like I will feel some itchiness when the bumps appears. And another thing that I noticed, things that I may not be suitable to use are products that contain mineral oils. So I try to avoid products that have mineral oil as part of their ingredient. So I always try to use something that is more mild and gentle for sensitive skin. So that's just a summary of my skin condition. I'm not sure for you guys whether you have such problems as well, but anyway, just a sharing. So let's quickly move on. Alright, so let's move on to skincare first. So the first thing that I would like to share with you is this. This is the Kiehl's Calendula toner. I actually used up a few bottles of this already. After using this, I actually never use other toner already. So mainly I think that hydration is the most important thing when you actually do your routine skincare. So besides having hydration, you may think of other issues like whether you need soothing effect or anti-aging or whitening. Then from there you should consider products that contain such or will actually give you such results. So for me, I know that my skin is very sensitive. Then for me, I actually love doing what I'm doing right now, which is to share with you the makeup products or how I actually do my makeup and stuff like that. And also for my own skin health, I definitely want to have a very smooth, nice complexion. Who wouldn't, right? So for me, most important thing is actually soothing. The redness on my cheeks is actually very obvious, and if there is any allergy reaction to my skin, the first thing that will show is definitely the bumpiness and the redness on my cheeks. So then I actually consider soothing products. So then I actually came across this. I actually saw a few YouTubers actually recommended this as well, the Kiehl's Calendula toner. So it is actually alcohol free and it is very gentle to the skin, and it's actually flower and pure extracts. So I went to try this out and I really love the effect that this toner gave. There are two ways of using this toner. You can actually pour this on cotton pad, then you will just use, you can just gently tap it on your skin. Another way of using this is actually to again put it on a cotton pad, and then you can just use it as like a mask to just put it on for a while on your whole face to soothe and then give your face hydration. So I really love how this works. For me, it doesn't give me any reaction, and this one actually helps to even soothe my skin and reduce the redness also. So I actually love this a lot. Alright, next is also another skincare product right after toner. Remember previously when I actually do a Laneige purchase in my recent videos, I actually showed this, which is the Laneige Waterbank Moisture Essence, and I actually updated you guys saying that I will try this out for a while and also to share with you my reviews about this. So let me give you a short review on this. So far when I use this, I have been using this for quite a while already, and this actually didn't give me any allergy reaction and is very hydrating. Just to share with you, actually my skin type is normal to combination skin. Dry on the cheeks and then oily on the T-zone area. So using this, it is moisturizing enough and it gives you a very comfortable feeling on the face. And so far when I used this, it didn't give me any allergy reaction. With the hydration effect it gives, and then without giving me any allergy reaction, so I actually continue using it, and I actually use this to replace my daytime moisturizer. So I actually just directly use this as my daytime moisturizer before I apply my makeup. So because this is not sticky, it's very lightweighted and very watery texture, I actually use this to moisturize and hydrate my skin in the day before I actually apply my makeup. Even after applying this, when I apply my makeup, it doesn't give me any patchy feeling when I apply my makeup as well. So I think this is actually quite a good product, but definitely for those who are really very sensitive, you may still need to go and try this out rather than just buy it immediately. I would always think that even for skincare, you should actually try it on your hand or actually do a little bit on the jaw to actually test if there is any allergy reaction. Alright, next I would actually like to share with you eye cream. This is actually an eye serum. This is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum. So when you turn it out, there is this ball thing that you can actually just apply it on your under eye. Because my eyes is also very sensitive, if I use something that is not right, I will immediately have teary eyes, and the eye area will itch very badly. So far for the Estée Lauder Night Repair series, they didn't give me any problem like this, and I actually feel that it's very comfortable. Even for their eye cream or their eye serum, especially this eye serum, it is very lightweighted, very watery, and very comfortable to apply on. For those who have the same problem as me, and you actually have very sensitive eyes, like around your skin you will easily get itchy, teary eyes, you may actually want to try this out as well. Another eye cream that I would like to share with you is this. This is the new Shiseido Essential series. For what I know about this product is that it can reduce puffiness and dark circles. Actually, this is one of my recent purchases. Like I told you before that I love to try new stuff. So when I see this, I thought to actually give it a try. I actually used this for a few nights already, and it didn't give me any reaction as well. And I don't feel itchy when I actually apply it. When you open it up, it has this application. Then the cream will actually come out from the hole in the middle. So you will just have to squeeze it out and then just use this to roll on your under eye. I actually use this applicator to gently massage my eye area as well. If you have tired eyes, I think this may be a good thing for you too. especially for people with dark circles. If you want to try, I think this can try it. And for those who don't like eye cream that is very oily on your skin, this will be very suitable, because when I apply it, when you gently massage it and when it slowly absorbs into your skin, it is actually not oily at all. It's very refreshing and lightweighted. So those who don't like oily eye cream may try this as well. Today I will be sharing with you this. Again, is the Shiseido Essential Energy series. This is the moisturizing cream. Why I actually have to emphasize it, because this series actually came out with two textures. One is in cream form, the other one is in gel form. The gel form is definitely more watery and lightweighted than this. After trying out for a few months, I really love this product. It doesn't give me any reaction. It will not cause bumpiness or roughness to the skin as well. And when you apply it, even though it's cream, it is not oily to the skin. After a while, your skin will actually absorb it, and then it will not be sticky on the surface already. I only use this at night because I am afraid that this texture may be a bit thick to apply before you actually put on your makeup. So in the day, I will not use this. I will use the Laneige essence instead. So when you actually open it up, it's actually a cream form, and it actually gives you a spatula to actually scoop it out. So this product is really good. I think it helps to strengthen my skin barrier as well. This is one of the effects as stated for this product. So besides giving you hydration, it helps you to soothe the skin. Although my T-zone area is oily, but my cheeks are really dry, to the extent that you may feel tightness to it. So every time at night when I actually apply this cream, it makes my skin feel very comfortable, very hydrating. So I actually love this a lot. And another thing is the scent of it. It has a very nice, comfortable scent. It's more like a floral scent. So for people who are very sensitive to smell, you may actually want to see if you actually can take the scent of this. It's actually not very strong. The scent of this product is not very strong, just that it still has a scent to it. So for those who are really sensitive to scent, you may want to reconsider or actually go try it out before you actually purchase it.